When Google Chrome launched in 2008, it marked a turning point in how we use the internet, fast, simple, and built for a new era of web apps and cloud computing. It replaced cluttered toolbars with clean design and speed, setting the standard for modern browsing. Now, we're at another major shift, the rise of AI browsers like Comet. Just as Chrome transformed how we searched, Comet is transforming how we think and work online. Instead of opening dozens of tabs or manually hunting for answers, Comet uses built-in AI to research, summarize, and assist in real time. It's the same kind of leap we saw when Chrome first arrived, but this time, the browser doesn't just show the web, it helps you understand and act on it. What's an AI browser? What if your web browser didn't just show pages, but helped you get stuff done? Today we're comparing two next-general AI browsers, Comet and ChatGPT Atlas. An AI browser is like a smart version of Chrome or Safari, but with artificial intelligence built in. Instead of just showing you websites, it can understand what you're doing and help you do it faster. Think of it as having a helpful assistant inside your browser. Let's say you're researching the best phone to buy, planning a trip to Japan, or writing an email or report. In a regular browser, you'd open lots of tabs, search manually, and copy-paste info. In an AI browser, you can simply type or say, "Find me the top 3 phones under 15,000 and show me a comparison table." And the AI does the searching, summarizing, and organizing for you, right inside your browser. Rocket in short. An AI browser is a web browser with a built-in smart assistant that helps you read, research, write, and browse the internet faster, without needing to be tech-savvy. Comet is built by Perplexity AI, for now. It emphasizes conversational search, research workflows, multi-tab context, model choices and AI-powered browsing. Comet is designed to change the way you browse, search, and work online. Instead of juggling dozens of tabs and endless searches, Comet brings AI-powered assistants directly into your browser, helping you research, summarize, and create effortlessly. With real-time web results, smart workspaces, and support for multiple AI models, Comet turns everyday browsing into a faster, more focused experience. Whether you're a student, creator, or professional researcher, Comet is built to help you think less about searching and more about doing. The benefits of choosing Comet. Comet runs on Windows, macOS, Linux and, in many cases, mobile. Atlas, at launch, is macOS only, with Windows and mobile coming later. Comet emphasizes regularly updated source-linked information, making it strong when you're doing research, checking documentation, grabbing live web data. Comet offers workspaces, tab grouping, and AI assistance per tab, so you can juggle multiple tasks without losing context. While Atlas has a browser memory feature, it remembers your activity over time, which can help with personalization. It also raises privacy and complexity questions. ChatGPT Atlas is a browser built by OpenAI. It integrates the ChatGPT experience directly into your tabs. You can ask ChatGPT questions about the page you're on, pull up your ChatGPT chat history, and even let the browser act on your behalf via agent mode. Caveats and what Atlas does better. Deep integration with ChatGPT and its memory system. If you already are heavily invested in ChatGPT, Atlas may serve you better. Agent mode that aims for full task automation, though still early. Simpler UI for users who want Ask ChatGPT baked into the browser rather than switching apps. On the flip side, security and trust concerns exist with both, and with Atlas especially since it can act on your behalf. The era of browsing is rapidly evolving with the arrival of AI-powered browsers like Comet and ChatGPT Atlas. These next-generation tools go far beyond traditional search. They blend intelligent, agentic AI, cross-tab awareness, and personalized workflows that adapt to how you work, learn, and create. Whether it's managing research, drafting content, or automating everyday tasks, these browsers act as true digital collaborators rather than passive windows to the web. The future of browsing is moving toward context-aware, seamlessly integrated, and privacy-focused experiences, where your browser doesn't just show information, it understands what you're trying to do and helps you get it done. This shift marks the beginning of a new age of the internet, one where the browser evolves from a simple tool into an intelligent partner. As AI becomes the foundation of how we search, learn, and create, browsers like Comet and ChatGPT Atlas are redefining our relationship with the web. The focus is no longer just on speed or design, but on understanding, adaptability, and trust. This new generation of browsers points to a future where technology quietly empowers human potential, making every click, question, and idea more connected, more personal, and more powerful than ever before. On the flip side, security and trust concerns remain an important consideration for both AI browsers, especially for ChatGPT Atlas, which has the ability to act autonomously on a user's behalf. While these features can boost convenience and productivity, they also introduce new risks, such as unauthorized actions, data exposure, or overreach by automated systems. As browsers gain more control and awareness of user behavior, ensuring strong privacy safeguards, transparent permissions, and clear user consent becomes essential. The challenge now lies in balancing the power of intelligent automation with the responsibility to keep users safe and in control of their digital experience.